Yes, children. Join hands and close your eyes. Come on. Kids the anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. It's very good morning to everyone. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, very good morning. Okay, we'll continue. We'll finish our reading, okay? Only few of you are there. Okay, we'll finish it. Next is Sarah.
Ma'am, have you called Sarah, ma'am?
Yes, Sarah. Come on, read this, Sarah. Hmm. Very good. Good. App. App. Cap. Hmm. Cup.
Next one.
Cup. Next one. Hmm. Hmm. Cut. Cut.
Be loud. Be loud.
Cut. Next one. CH. IN. 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 In.
Chin.
Very good. Next. CH. AT. AT.
Hat.
AT. What is AT, ma?
Say to ma'am.
Chat. Very good, Sarah. Well done. Good. Next is Nimala. Yes, ma. Who called me? Okay. Next is Nimalan.
என்கண்ணு இந்த நிமிடம் சொல்லு.
Come on.
இந்த இதை ரீட் பண்ணு. இதை ரீட் பண்ணு. என்னடா சொல்ற?
Let him try. Let him try. Let him try. Don't interfere. Let him try.
கண்ணு இந்த வந்துருச்சு. இது வந்துருச்சு பா. இப்போ ரீட் பண்ணி சொல்லு. இல்ல இப்போ ரீட் பண்ணி சொல்லு.
Good. Next.
கரெக்டா ஸ்பெல் பண்ணுக்க.
AP.
இது என்ன கண்ணு? இது என்னன்னு ரீட் பண்ணுமா, மேம் சொல்லி தராங்க பாரு.
AP என்னதுமா? AP.
ஏபி இப்பா. சரி அதை விட்டு அடுத்தது சொல்லு. அடுத்தது.
Good. Next. UP. No ma. UP என்னதுமா? Up. Up. Good. Next. AN.
நல்ல கண்ணை திறந்து பாரு.
Can.
ஏய் உளறாதடா.
UT. What is UT?
யூடி என்னது?
At. Next. CH. What is CH?
சிஹெச் என்னது? வெரி குட்.
I-N,
அடுத்தது
I-N, in, in, chin, very good. Next, C-H, ch, A-T,
ஏடி இங்க பாரு தானே போட்டிருக்காங்க.
A-T,
ஏடி என்னது? அப்ப சரி
at,
ரெண்டுத்தையும்.
at, good. Thank you, Manimalan. Next is Nitish. Yeah, welcome, Nitish. Yes, come on, read, Nitish. Huh? One time. Car. You left it out. Starting with cat. Okay, come on, next. Cap. Very good. Next. Good morning, Ma Pranavi and Pravina. Cup. Good. Next one. சொல்லி கொடுக்காதீங்க நிதிஷ் அம்மா. Let him try. No. Cut. What is cut? Cut. Okay. CH. என்னதுமா? ch. IN. In. In என்னது? Chin. Very good. Next. CH. Sound of CH. AT. Ch at. At. Chat. Good. Next. Nakshatra. Come on, read these words. Car. Very good. Next. Cat. Very good. Next. Phonic sounds எங்கம்மா? App. Very good. Next one. Good ma Nakshatra. Next. Up. Up என்னதுமா? Up. Cup. Next one. Next one.
First C phonic sound சொல்லு.
An. Very good. Can. Next one.
Next one.
Next one. K A T
க
K A T K A T
சரி சொல்லு
A T
சீக்கிரம் க ஏன் பண்ற
cut K at cut. Next one. What is CH?
CH
CH
என்னது
என்னதுமா? IN Ch in Ch in
ச என்ன சேர்த்து blend
Ch
பண்ணு
in chin. Next one. CH
இங்க பாரு
CH
ம்
Ch AT
ஏடி
at Ch at chat. Very good. Thank you, ma. Next who is whom I didn't ask. I finished with Nakshatra, Niti, Shadya, Kevin. Kevin.
சொல்லு
Come on, Kevin. R. Louder, ma, Kevin.
சொல்லு கெவன்
Car. Next one. Look at the screen and answer. K at என்னதுமா? What is K at? K at Kevin.
சொல்லு
Kevin, you know everything. Come on, tell me, Kevin. K at
இங்க பாரு சொல்லு
Okay, fine, Kevin. Next, Adarsh. Adarsh.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Adarsh. Try, Adarsh.
சொல்லுமா சொல்லுங்க
K A R.
சொல்லு blend பண்ணி சொல்லு blend பண்ணு சேர்த்து சொல்லுமா
K A R.
சேர்த்து சொல்லுமா
Car.
next
Next, K at
என்னது
K at
சொல்லு இங்க நீ வேர்டு
cat. Cat. Next, K A P. Third one. K A P.
cap
Cap.
next
Okay, next one.
கன்னு சொல்லு
K A P. Cup. Next. Next one.
please
K A
word என்ன word
N. K N.
சொல்லமோ can
Very good. Thank you, Adarsh. Next is Pranavi and Pravina. Pranavi and Pravina. Yes, come on, read it. Pranavi, Pravina.
Car.
Hmm.
Car.
Hmm.
Cat.
Good.
Cat.
Good.
Cat.
Sabarish, are you teaching them?
No, ma'am.
I can hear some voice.
Ma'am, that my grandmother and grandfather's voice, ma'am. They are watching TV, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next. Cat. Cat finish. And can. Next.
Cat.
Cut. Good. CH. CH.
CH.
No, CH. Ch. In. 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 Chin. Next. Again
Chair.
80.
80.
No, 80. 80 at. Chat. Very good. Thank you, Ma. Ilango.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, finish it, Ilango.
C. And
பார்த்து ரீட் பண்ணு. AR
Car. Good. Next.
சீக்கிரமா.
Can.
நீ பாரு சீக்கிரத்து என்ன இருக்குன்னு பார்த்து முதல்ல ரீட் பண்ணு.
80.
80.
At.
Cot.
At.
Cot.
At.
Cat.
Next.
ரீட் பண்ணிலங்கோ. அட்டா இருக்கு. அடுத்து என்ன இருக்கு?
App. Cap. Very good. Next. UP. What is UP?
UP. Up.
Up.
Cup.
Cup. Good. Next. What is AN?
AN. Un.
An. An.
Can.
Very good. Next is UT. What is UT?
UT. At.
At.
Cut.
Cut. Next one. What is CH? CH sound. Ch. IN. In. In.
Chin.
Very good. Next again CH. CH sound enakku. 80. 80.
At.
At.
Tat.
Chat. Chat. Okay. Yes. Thank you, children. Now I am going to write some words in the slate. You are going to bring the materials according to that. Okay. Are you all ready? Are you Shravanya joined?
Yes, ma'am. You should join.
Yeah, 1 minute, Shravanya.
You didn't wish ma'am, right? Join. You say good morning.
Yes, you could have wished me. I would have known that you are present today. I think you have joined in some other ID. It's not Shavanya's ID, right?
Yes, ma'am. In another mobile device, I have connected.
Okay, fine. You come on, Shavanya. Read these words.
Read பண்ணுங்க.
Hmm. Hmm.
Read பண்ணுங்க.
Ka. Hmm. Hmm. Very good. Next. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Cat. சொல்லு.
Good. Next. Hmm. Cap. Next. Hmm. Hmm. Up. Cup. Very good. Next.
Louder சொல்லுங்க.
Hmm. Hmm. Can. Very good. Next.
You கேளுங்க.
Hmm. Cut.
Louder.
Cut. Next. What is the sound of CH? CH. Ch. IN. What is in? Ch in. Ch in.
In.
Chin.
அடுத்து.
Okay. Next. Ch. AT. 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 At.
At. Cha.
Ch at. Chat. Okay. Thank you, Mashavan. Is there anyone else I didn't ask you? I'm going to stop sharing. Now I'm going to write a word here. You are going to read the word, find out what word is that, and you are going to bring that material. Okay? What is this? Go and bring. What is it? What word is this, children? Box. Very good. Box. Box. Come on, go and bring a box. 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 Let me see a box. What is that box, Madhuvanti? Okay. Box. Good. Box. Sorry?
Color pencil box, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah, Shavanya, very good. Yes. Srinija, good. Sara, where is your box? Very good. Box. Good. Well done. Yes. 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 Adya Sharma, good. Yes, Vimalan, I saw Ma. I saw everyone. Very good. Box. Okay, next. Next. Very good, Madhuvanti. In pin. Come on, go and bring a pin. Cat. In pin. 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 Yes, very good, Srinija. Yes, very good, Madhuvanti. Pa in pin. Yeah, very good. 1 minute. Chill.
இரு இரு ஒரு நிமிஷம். இந்த ஸ்கூல்லயே உட்காந்து
Pa in pin. Over. Very good. Next word. What word is this? Very good. Ka and can. Ka and can. Come on, go and bring can.
We don't have any can, mommy.
Can.
You can show your water can.
Mommy, kitchen like can hai. Water can, ma'am.
Can. Very good. Water bottle can. Good. Can.
Can. The water is just in
Yes,
the water.
good. Yes, good, Kevin. Except reading and writing, you like all other activities done in session, right? Huh? Can. Ayo, Sarah. Oh my God. What she has brought. Very good. That is also a can.
She went and bought it. Amma kitchen la irukku namakku can.
Very nice. Good. Can. I should think and give, I think. அப்புறம் வேற எதனா வந்ததுன்னா என்ன பண்றது? Okay. Next one. Car. Very good. If you have a toy car, come and go and bring it. If you don't have, leave it. Car. 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 You yourself go and bring, children. Search it and bring it. Sarah has gone, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is going to bring? Yes, car. Very good, Sarah. Fine. Good, ma. Nakshatra, good. Yes, good, Nimalan. Yeah, car. Good. Okay, next. Okay, next. Very good, everyone. I didn't see Adya's car. Yes, Kevin, good. Adarsh, good. Nimalan, where is your car? Okay, fine. Where is Adya? Searching for car, ah? Oh.
She has broken. Now I don't.
Okay, another word. Call her another word. Yes, morning you drink milk, right?
Go get it.
What is this? What word is this? Cup. Very good. Cup. Come on, drink this. Cup. Oh, Kevin. Very fast he is doing all this activity, huh? Cup. Very good. அதுதான் விளையாடிட்டே இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும் செக்ஷன்ல. Cup. Good. Hey, orange cup, green color cup. Very nice. Cup. Cup. Kappa. Is it a cup? Hi, is it a cup, Sarah?
Yeah.
Kappa, cap. Cup.
Go.
Okay, fine. Cup. Up cup. Okay. Okay, next. Very good. Well done. Yeah, good. I saw ma. Very good. Cup. Okay, fine. Next is the ear. Ear. Toy.
Toy.
Toy. Toy. Yeah, very good. Toy. Very good. Adya is having a toy. Very good. Beautiful toy. Toy. Very good, Ma Nakshatra. Toy. Good. It is bigger than Sarah. Yeah, toy. Good. Yeah, Nimalan. Toy. Okay. Anything that you play with. Okay, toy. Good. And next, let me see. Are we able to catch up with this letter, with this spelling? What is it? Anyone answer me? What is it? Huh? ED. What is ED? Ed. Ed. What is ed? Red. Come on, show me red. 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 Very good. Red. Red. R-E-D. Red. Yeah, red. Good, ma. Nimalan. Yes. Kevin, good. Sarah, bag. Okay. Madhuvanti also school bag. Box. Toy. Yeah, well done. Something. What is that, ma? Nakshatra? Cup. Okay. Red color cup. Okay, fine. Finished? Red. Over. Okay. Next, let me see. Yellow. Assuming that I'll give yellow only. Yeah. What is n? Run. Very good. Run. Run means what you'll do? Run means what you'll do? Run. Very good. Run. Well done. Good. Okay, next. Okay. Yeah, very good. Next. What is this? Huh? I see. What is it? Sit. Are you all sitting? Who is standing here? Are you all sitting?
Ma'am.
Sit. Very good. 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 Next. Okay.
Game.
Next, it's going to be a little bit difficult. Let me see.
Wow, two.
Re-ing. Re-ing. Ring. Come on, bring ring. Any toys ring? If you have, you can bring ring. 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 Good. Very good, Srinija. Yes, good, Sarah. Sarah. Huh? What are you doing today? Ring. Okay, good. Next. Ring. Where is ring, Ilango? No ring in your home? Ring. Very good, Nimalan.
Ring, ma'am.
Ring, Sara, Nimalan. Ah, okay. Ilango. Adarsh. Very good. Ring. And then Nakshatra. Ring. What is that, Nakshatra? என்னதுமா அது? ஆ? நான் கேட்ட ரிங்கா? ரிங்கா அது? Okay, fine. No ringa. Okay. Next. Okay, next. Another one, final one, last one, okay? Ah, yes, very good. What is it? Very good. Ball. All ball. Come on, bring a ball. All ball. Very good. Yes, ball. Very good. Good. Very good. Well done. Okay. Very good. Ball. Okay. Very good. Next. Good. Okay, next one. This one. What is this? All. All. Wall. Very good. Where is wall? Where is wall? Very good. Good children. Yes, very good. Well done. Big round of applause for all my children. Very good. Well done. Super. Well done, children. Very good. Okay. Yeah, welcome. Okay, children, we'll finish with our attendance. I forgot it, okay? Adya. Okay, marking you, Adya. Ilango.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Nakshatra. Very good, Nakshatra. Nitish.
Ma'am.
Very good, Nitish. Kevin.
Here I am.
Very good, Kevin. Riyasri. She's absent. Sarah. Sarah. Very good, Sarah. Pranavi and Pravina.
Here I am, Manila, ma'am.
Yes, Pravina. Very good, ma. Srinija.
Here I am, Melina, ma'am.
Very good. Tilakar. Absent. Kadambari. Shravanya.
Here I am, Shavanya.
Very good, Shravanya. Mokshita. Also absent. Nimalan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. Adarsh. Very good, Adarsh. Madhuvanti.
Here I am, Manila, ma'am.
Yes. Achucho. Very good, children. Okay, children. Tomorrow you will not be having any sessions tomorrow. And day after tomorrow, it is a holiday for you, children. Only we'll see back after this PTM meeting. So day after tomorrow is batch 2 PTM meeting. So tomorrow is batch 1's meeting. So we'll not be having class tomorrow. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow is a holiday. There will be no sessions. And the whole week you will not be having language sessions also. So we'll meet you on Thursday, children. Okay. So thank you so much for your cooperation. If anyone you didn't get your link, please call Uma ma'am and get it confirmed. Okay. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, no session. Day after tomorrow will be our class PTM. Okay. So thank you so much for your cooperation. See you on Thursday. Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye children. Yes, bye children. Yeah, bye children.